Hello students, welcome to 7th maths class. In our last sessions we have started chapter number 12, perimeter and area. Out of that perimeter, related to that questions and how to calculate that, all things we have seen. Now today we are going to see about problems based on area. So area is the space enclosed by the particular body. For example, suppose this is the square. Perimeter of the square will be addition of all the sides, but its area means this, whatever I am drawing the space inside this space is nothing but area. Suppose this is the diamond shaped diagram, so its area will be all the space present in this diagram is called its area. So area of particular figure can be calculated with the help of formulas. About square and rectangle we will see. Area of square is given by the formula side into side, that is side square. Next is area of rectangle is given by formula length into breadth, that is L into B. By using these formulas we have to solve questions based on area. This area is measured in the unit square meter, square centimeter, square kilometer, and is written as centimeter square, kilometer square and meter square, or also you can write as square centimeter, square kilometer or square meter. So in these units, area of a particular diagram is measured. Now we will see examples based on area. See first example. A rectangular garden is 40 centimeter long and 30 meter wide. 40 meter long and 30 meter wide. This is the garden which is having length 40 and breadth 30. Now a 2 meter wide path is to be paved inside the garden along its boundary. So here inside this garden a paved path is to be done which is of 2 meter. Everywhere this is 2 meter inside this triangle, and this path is prepared by using tiles which are having these dimension, that is 25 is the length and 20 is the breadth. As these two things are different, surely it will be a rectangle in size. How many such tiles will be required? So to completely fill this area, this shaded area which is to be paved path, that area require how many tiles? This is the question. For that what we have to do, see. First we will find the area to be paved, that is this area, shaded area we will find. How to find that? Suppose the total area of this garden is calculated, and from that this inside area, that is this area, is subtracted, then we can get this area. So from total area we will subtract this much, this area, then we will get the shaded region. So we will find that the area of garden will be 40 into 30 as it is rectangle. So it will be length into breadth. That's why 30 into 40, it will be 1200 square meter. This will be the complete total area. Now area not to be paved, that is this area not to be paved. this area. How to calculate this? This distance we want to find. This total distance, if you see from this point to this point, it is 40. This distance is 2 meter and this distance is 2 meter. Means this 2 and this 2, that is 4. 2 plus 2, 4 meter. This we have to subtract from the total distance 40. Then we can get this area. So 40 minus 4, this area will be 36. Like that, this total area is 30. Out of that, this is 2 and up to this is 2. These two will be excluded from 30. So it will be 26. That is, this area is 26. Now for inner this rectangle, we got length as 36, breadth as 26. So we can calculate that area as 36 into 26. It will be 936 square meter. Now the area to be paved. How to calculate? Total area minus the inner area, this area. We will get area to be paved. That's why 1200 minus 936, it will be 264 square meter. Now area of each tile, it is given 25 centimeter into 20 meter. If you see unit, it is in centimeter, but the remaining things are in meter. You can see here. So we have to convert this centimeter into meter. For that, we will divide that by 100. So 25 divided by 100 into 20 divided by 100. That will be 1 by 20 square meter. Now instead of centimeter, we are getting the area in meter. Now area of one tile is 1 by 20 square meter. Hence, we will find the number of tiles required for 264 square meter. That's why the number of tiles will be equal to total area divided by area of 1 power. That's why it will be total area 264. This will be divided by 1 by 20. So it will go in numerator, and this division we can change by multiplication. So 264 into 20, that will be 5280. These many tiles are required to complete that shaded paved path. So like this, some more examples based on area we will see. A rectangular playground is 65 meter long and 30 meter wide. A pathway of 1.5 meter width goes all around the ground. Outside it, find the area of pathway. Here the rectangular playground is 65 into 30 in dimension. That is, this to this, it is the length of playground, and this is breadth of playground, which is 30, and outside it 1.5 meter width pathway is to be constructed. Here pathway is outside the ground. Find the area of pathway. As the playground is rectangular, therefore the ABCD is a playground, and around it pathway is 1.5 meter wide. Around triangle ABCD, we get rectangle PQRS, which is showing pathway. This shaded area will show the pathway, and this is the playground. So here the length of new rectangle PQRS will be, this is 65. So in this we have to add this 1.5 and this 1.5. So we will get this PS distance, total distance, because it is 65, this point to this point. This is 1.5, this is 1.5. So 65 plus 1.5 plus 1.5, it will be 68. Like that, this distance, it is 30. This is 1.5, this is 1.5. So 30 plus 1.5, 1.5, it will be 33. The area of path, that is this shaded area, we can calculate by area of rectangle PQRS, that is outer, minus area of rectangle ABCD, this area. If we subtract, we will get this area. So 68 into 33, that is the area of PQRS, minus 65 into 30, that is area of ABCD. So this answer will be 2244, and 65 into 30 is 1950. Their subtraction is 294 square meter. So the pathway will be of 294 square meter. One more example of area we will see now. The length and width of mobile phone are 13 centimeter and 7 centimeter respectively. That is, length is 13 and breadth is 7 meter. It has the screen PQRS. PQRS is the screen as shown in figure. What is the area of the screen? This area we have to calculate. So the ABCD is a rectangle formed by the edges of mobile, and PQRS is the rectangle formed by leaving 1.5 cm wide edge along AB, BC, DC and 2 cm edge along DA. That's why length of rectangle PQRS will be, total length is 13. So 13 minus 1.5 minus 2, that will be 9.5. Like that the breadth will be, total breadth, this is 7, but we have to exclude this 1.5 and 1.5. 7 minus 3, 4. That's why PQRS is having length as 9.5 and breadth as 4. So as it is rectangle, area will be length into breadth. That is 9.5 into 4. It will be 38 square meter. So based on these examples, in next session we will solve practice set 45. Till then, these solved examples you have to copy in your notebook.